Apple unveiling its latest iPhones and other gadgets at an event in Cupertino.
Rich DeMuro was there and went hands-on with the new products for today's Rich on Tech.
Apple unveiled several new products here at their Cupertino headquarters, including new AirPods, new Apple Watches, and new iPhones. The new iPhone 16 models have bigger displays and a new camera control feature, which gives you faster access to take photos and videos and more controls instantly. At Apple's biggest event of the year, new iPhones, new AirPods, and new Apple Watches. Apple says AirPods are the best-selling headphones in the world. I'm gonna pop in the new AirPods 4. Look how tiny they are. The case is small, the AirPods themselves are really small. AirPods 4 are $129 or $179 with active noise cancellation. The top-of-the-line AirPods Pro 2 will double as hearing aids. This is the new Apple Watch Series 10. It's thinner, the screen is brighter, and for the first time you can listen to audio like music and podcasts right on the included speaker. Recent Apple Watch models will now detect sleep apnea. A new Tides app shows surf conditions. For the first time ever, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now comes in black. iPhone 16 models have processors to handle upcoming AI features. Here's the iPhone 16 Plus in the new ultramarine color. The action button expands to both regular and Pro models. One of the new features across all of the iPhone 16 models is this new camera control. It's a touch-sensitive button that launches the camera instantly and serves as a shutter. Double tap or press lighter to access additional functions like video recording and zoom. It does take a bit of getting used to. No price increases this time around. iPhone 16 starts at $800, Pro models start at $1,000.
We're in front of what I believe is going to be a paradigm shift in terms of how consumers use these devices. It's going to create, I think, a big swell of business for Apple in the next 1 to 2, 3 years plus.
One surprise, Apple's new AI features called Apple Intelligence will not launch alongside these new devices. That's sort of delayed until next month and launching in beta. As for iOS 18, that will be available as a free software update come September 16th, while the new phones are available on September 20th, starting at $799. In Cupertino, I'm Rich DeMuro. That's Rich on Tech.